Hi, everyone. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you'll see future updates and content that I put out. Today, I'd like to talk a little bit about everyone's favorite subject, accounting. If you're going to be investing and taking things seriously, accounting is going to be important to you. Warren Buffett says that you should understand accounting if you want to invest, and he always talks about the importance of accounting, but doesn't give any specific advice other than to listen to conference calls and read the 10Ks and just look things up yourself. But being that it is important, I'll give you my take on it. And I am not an accountant. I've taken one accounting course in my entire life. When I was in law school, I took in a class, Accounting for Lawyers. It wasn't a great class. It wasn't a great teacher, but the TEA recommended a very good book that I have here. It's called The Accounting Game, and it looks kind of like a children's book. And if you open this up, it walks you through different accounting concepts as if you were starting a lemonade stand. So it's something that's very easy to understand, and talks about liabilities and assets and income and debt. And it starts from probably the smallest, easiest business to understand, which is a lemonade stand. And it's not a thick book, and it did help because the Accounting for Lawyers class I took, the actual book was a lot thicker, and it presumed you had a lot more accounting knowledge than most lawyers would have. And so this sort of gets you up on the learning curve, and then from there, you can take it from there. So when I say you should read Value Line and read the 10Ks and look at the annual reports, that's a lot easier to do and a lot more helpful if you already have at least a basic understanding of accounting. And I think this is a great recommendation for that, the Accounting Game. So I heard a famous investor say that if you were going to another country, Germany or Finland or whatever, and you wanted to make a life for yourself, it would be very difficult to do if you didn't speak the language. And the language of business is accounting. And if you want to make it in business, either as a business person or as an investor, it would benefit you greatly to speak the language. And so I encourage you to do as much learning as you can on accounting. And I know it's a very dry subject, so if you took a class or just bought a textbook and tried to teach yourself, it might be a little difficult. So, this seems a little childish, but it was highly recommended to me by the TA, who was an accountant who helped teach the class, and I found it very useful. So I'm just passing that recommendation on to you, and I'll put a link to it on Amazon and in the show notes, and you can order it. And good luck in your investing journey, and like and subscribe so you'll see further updates on this. Thank you.